All right, let's start with a warm-up, kind of refreshing ourselves from some stuff that we did in prior days. The first one, we've got x minus 7 equals negative 12 over x. We got to get x out of our denominator on both sides, so let's multiply by x. That gives us, when I distribute it, x squared minus 7x equals, on the other side, the x's cancel off, leaving us with just negative 12. I'm going to add 12 to both sides to get everything on one side, which brings us to, over here, x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. Now that we've got it set it equal to 0, we can factor. So we've got to come up with two numbers that multiply to 12 and add to negative 7. So that would be negative 4 and negative 3. From there, we can get our two solutions because either this group equals 0, which means that x would be equal to 4, or this other group equals 0, which would be x equals 3. Number 2, it says, what's the square root of 64? So you're asking yourself, what times itself gives you 64? And that's just 8. Sorry about that. The last one, it says x to the 5th equals 32. You're asking yourself, what value to the 5th power? So what to times itself, times itself, times itself, times itself, one more time, gives you 32. Another way you can look at it is take the 5th root of 32, same answer. Either way, you know that from what we did with logarithms, 2 to the 5th equals 32, so therefore x equals 2.